trying to grasp that helicopter skid and then lost his footing and fell some 200 feet to his death. Witnesses say there was a strap he was trying to get his hand inside of on that helicopter skid, but the helicopter or the plane pulled away before he was fully able to grasp onto the skid and his hand was secured. Now, that stuntman has been performing this aerial stunt for more than 25 years. He was a well-known wing walker, and his death